Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on rental properties with Apartment Finder, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Apartment Finder website. Sign up for a free account to unlock additional features. Explore the search bar to enter your desired location. Specify your price range to filter out options outside your budget. Use advanced filters to narrow down amenities that are important to you. Consider filtering by pet policy if you have furry friends. Review the list of available properties that meet your criteria. Click on individual listings to view more details. Take note of any special offers or promotions highlighted in the listings. Utilize the map feature to identify nearby amenities, such as public transport and shopping centers. Save your favorite listings by adding them to your profile for easy access. Contact property managers directly from the site to ask about any unadvertised deals. If you discover an apartment you love, request a virtual tour. Compare multiple properties side by side for better decision making. Look for any move-in specials or reduced fees during your rental period. Consider negotiating the rental terms with the property manager once you've identified a preferred option. Stay flexible on move-in dates, as this can help you secure a better deal. Follow up periodically on any properties you're interested in, as prices can fluctuate. Use the platform's resources and articles for additional tips on negotiating rent. Keep track of market trends in your desired neighborhood through Apartment Finder's tools. Finally, once you find your ideal apartment, apply promptly to secure the deal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.